All right, take notes, Bradley. 2019 Honda Civic. When the dealership wants to charge you $70 to replace your air cabin filter. Empty your glove box of everything inside. There's tabs on each side. All you gotta do is push in on the glove box and they loosen. Comes right down. Your air cabin filter is right here. All you need to do is press this tab in and this tab in, and then this cover pops right off. Pay attention where it says airflow. Notice it's going down. You see the cabin filter and it says airflow, it's going down. Slide the old dirty one out. Push the new clean one in. Replace this cap. Push the glove box back in. Refill the contents. Literally less than 2 minutes, no tools needed. $70 saved. I ordered this new one on Amazon for less than $7, delivered in a day.